Hi there, I'm Rohan, aka Jammy, and if you follow my channel, you'll know that in late 2020, I made a video called Custom GDScript Mod, in which I talked about a mod for the Godot engine that I planned to make. This mod basically involved me editing Godot's main supported language, GDScript, to have the syntax and functionality closer to a language like C. Now, upon actually trying to do this project, I realized something very important. I have no idea how a parser works, or how a lexer works, or how any of the other related components to the compiler for GDScript actually work. And despite trying several times, I was never able to actually understand how to make the modifications that I desired to make. And this video is here to, for now at least, lay that plan to rest, because until I gain the knowledge in computer science and this sort of stuff to actually understand how this works, I won't be able to do that in mod. To give you an example of what I'm talking about, here are the files in the Godot source. Now, if you want to look at this yourself, all the sources on GitHub, I guess I'll include a link in the description of this video to that source. But yeah, this engine is completely open source, so if you wanted to, maybe you could do this mod yourself. Anyway, my point here is that it's absolutely massive. There's a lot of components, as expected with a complicated engine, and this is only scratching the surface because each of these directories have more things in them. For reference, what I was actually editing is in modules, let's find it, it's GDScript here, this one. This is what I was actually looking at. I've actually edited some of these. I don't think it shows it here, but I'm not sure what these blue indicators are. I'm not entirely sure how Sublime works fully. But anyway, I have edited some of these to try and modify the functionality, which I wasn't able to do. But I did come to the conclusion that I could do something better. See, Godot doesn't support pointers, at least in GDScript. GDScript is a language very similar to Python. It's dynamically typed and has no sort of methods of handling pointers whatsoever. So that kind of decreases the functionality of it. It does make it simpler for more common users to work with, but it takes away a lot of the control you have over the code. So I decided, why not make my own version of Godot? And since this is open source, there's no real issues to me making my own version of it. So I thought I would take the core principles of Godot engine, which is like modular script-based coding, and create a purely C++ engine with that. So instead of using like a custom scripting language, you just use pure C++. So this is basically the replacement project for that custom GDScript mod. Now, I will be real here. This is a lot more ambitious than the original project, but it's a lot more doable because with this one, I will be coding everything myself, and honestly, I don't know how to analyze this code and figure out what it does. I think making my own version, which would have more functionality anyways, is a better idea. So I'll just be doing that. Okay, anyway, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more updates on this and keep up to date on these projects and anything else I'm working on, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so YouTube notifies you when my videos come out. Leave a like to show your support, and if you're interested in helping out, you can join my Zalgo Discord server, which is also in the link in the description. And yeah, hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all later. Goodbye.